The NC file contains the specific instructions your cutting machine reads to produce your parts. With our nesting finalized, let's generate that file. To begin, navigate to the CAM tab to access the final processing tools. In the Process group, click Create NC. In the dialog, you can give the file a meaningful name, like one that includes the job number. Then, choose where your finished file will be stored. A suggested folder is automatically picked, but you're free to select an alternative. Set a specific program number if your controller requires it. Once everything is correct, click OK. And FiNest instantly processes the sheet to create the NC code. Before the final file is saved, a detailed report is generated for your review. This allows you to double-check all critical information, such as total cutting time and material usage, ensuring accuracy and preventing waste before production begins. FiNest offers highly flexible reporting options to suit the different needs of your workshop. From a detailed visual plot showing the cutting sequence for the machine operator to a simple parts table, ideal for logistics and inventory management. Now let's verify the final output. You can preview the raw G-code in the NC editor, and by opening the Save location in your File Explorer, you can see the final CNC file is now ready to be sent directly to your machine. This powerful and efficient workflow is easily repeatable for any job. With the Apply to All option enabled, FiNest swiftly generates a separate NC file for each open sheet at once, saving you significant time. The post-processor is key to ensuring perfect machine compatibility, as it adapts the code to your specific machine's format. You have now completed a full workflow from import and nesting to final code to the next. Your machine is ready to cut.